everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about Joint Restore Gummies, a fantastic nutritional supplement that can help with joint health. We're going to learn all about it, including its ingredients, what it does, and how it can benefit you. So, let's get started in easy words. What are Joint Restore Gummies? Well, they're like candy, but they're not just any candy. These gummies are specially made to make your joints feel better, and you won't need surgery. Joint problems often come with age, usually when you're over 45 or 50. So, what do people do when their joints hurt? Some get medicines, and others might even need surgery. But, here's the thing, surgeries are super expensive, and not everyone can afford them. Plus, the medicines sometimes have side effects, and you can't use them for a long time. That's where Joint Restore Gummies come to the rescue. I have put the Joint Restore Gummies link in this video description below with the special discount. These gummies are like a natural solution. They are made from powerful ingredients like boswellia and CBD. And guess what? Many scientists have shown that these ingredients help your joints feel better. Unlike some other things you might take, these gummies are safe and don't cause side effects. You see, most supplements out there only try to stop the pain. But Joint Restore Gummies do more. They give your body some amazing nutrients that not only stop the pain but also make your joints healthier. That's because they nourish every part of your joints. Don't just take my word for it, there are lots of people who've tried these gummies and love them. They're living life with no pain and discomfort. These gummies are delicious, and if you want your joints to feel smoother, they're worth a try. Now, let's get to how these gummies actually work. Your joints are like the hinges that let you move, like when you walk, run, or do everyday things. But just like machines need maintenance, your joints need the right stuff to keep them working well. Over time, the parts in your joints can wear out, just like machine parts. And as you get older, your body might not have all the nutrients it needs. That can lead to joint problems. So, Joint Restore Gummies give your joints the good stuff they need. I have put the official website link in this video description below with the special discount with 60 days money-back guarantee. There's something super cool about these gummies. They have CBD. CBD helps to stop pain and discomfort. But the best part? They're in the form of gummies, so you won't have to deal with the strange taste that some CBD stuff has. Besides CBD, these gummies have other ingredients that help fix the wear and tear on your joint tissues. They also fight inflammation and make sure your joints don't get damaged even more. Plus, they help your cartilage and restore your joints to full health. Let's look at what's inside these gummies. There's boswellia serrata extract, which fights inflammation and helps with pain. Then there's vitamin D, which is great for joint health. Calcium makes your bones strong, and iron and potassium reduce inflammation. And, of course, there's full-spectrum CBD, which is fantastic for pain and more. There are some other ingredients too, like sugar, pectin, and citric acid, which make the gummies taste sweet and fruity like berries. All these things make the gummies yummy and fun to eat while they help with your joint pain. Alright, so what's in it for you? These gummies give your joints the good stuff they need, making them healthier. They fix your joint tissues and cartilage, so you can move easily. They also make your bones stronger, improve your mobility, and make your joints more flexible. Plus, they come in a berry flavor, which is like a treat for your taste buds. I have put the official website link in this video description below with the special discount with 60 days money-back guarantee. Wondering how many of these gummies you should take? If you've been dealing with joint pain, you can start with just one gummy every morning. For the best results, you should use them every day for at least 3 to 6 months. But if you have other health issues or take medications, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor first. Now, let's talk about the price. You can get these gummies on their official website, and they often have discounts. One bottle of Joint Restore Gummies, which is a 30-day supply, costs $79.97 plus shipping. Buy 2 bottles, and you get one free, for just $159.94, which is $53.31 per bottle with free shipping. And, if you buy 3 bottles, you get 3 for free, at just $239.91, which is $39.98 per bottle with free shipping. Here's the best part: if you're not happy with the gummies, you're covered by a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. Try them, and if they're not for you, just contact customer service for a refund. So, there's no risk involved. I have put the official website link in these video description below with the special discount with 60 days money-back guarantee. To sum it up, Joint Restore Gummies are like a sweet treat that can make your joints feel better and healthier. Say goodbye to joint problems and claim your pack today. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-understand content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Joint Restore Gummies, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.